Another question I get asked all the time is, are basements required to have windows? And that answer depends on whether or not there's a bedroom. If you have a bedroom in a basement, or any room, doesn't matter what floor it's on, it needs an egress window, which means it has to meet a certain size requirements, be large enough that if there was ever an emergency, someone would be able to get out in good time. So a basement without a bedroom doesn't need to have windows. Windows in basements, if they're not being used for bedrooms, is just to let in light, essentially. Just to provide a little bit more natural light in such a dark space. Otherwise, then it becomes very, very isolating, very, dark feeling. So here I have the basement window that's going in place. We can just have a look at it. So this is a triple pane window. It's a slider, and you can see by how easy that one is to move up and down. Really high quality window. This is all 100% PVC. There's no metal in it. There's no wood in it. It's going to be really efficient. And then it's going to be able to fit right into that opening. So we'll be able to pull the metal one out and then just put this one in place and then fasten it. You can see the drain holes much larger here. That's going to do a good job at draining out any of that water that ends up getting inside the window. You can see the seal, very high quality seal all around the window, even on the inside as well. A lot of windows don't have seals on both sides. Again, we got a triple pane, nice durable screen. It's a really sharp looking window. The welds, very nice high quality, really looks good. It's gonna look great when it's installed. But that's kind of the answer to that question is, if there's a bedroom, then yes, it needs a window. If there's no bedroom, then go nuts. You don't need to have any.